Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the ND strength for the scene. More stops slow shutter length for motion or shallower depth in bright light. Next, attach the K&F ND to the lens or holder and hand tighten. This prevents cross-threading. Once fitted, switch your camera to manual or shutter priority and enable live view plus the histogram so you can see exposure changes in real time. Doing this first saves time and prevents blown highlights after you lengthen the exposure. Once you have a baseline meter reading without the ND, calculate the new shutter using the ND factor. For example, a 6-stop ND multiplies exposure by 64. You should use an app or the filter markings to convert stops to seconds. Make sure your camera is stabilized on a tripod and use a remote or mirror lockup to eliminate shake. Then recompose, refocus in live view with the ND on, and check the histogram after a test exposure to ensure you finish by reviewing the image at full magnification and confirming the histogram shows no unwanted clipping. If motion looks wrong or highlights clip, adjust shutter time or swap to a different ND density. Alternatively, raise or lower ISO slightly for exposure balance. Once satisfied, remove the ND carefully, clean and cap it for storage. If the exposure still feels off, a quick troubleshooting tip. Temporarily remove the ND, remeter, and then recompute the ND adjusted shutter to eliminate calculation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.